Hi guys, welcome you all in M-CAD Foundation and hope you all are doing well. So in this tutorial I'm gonna cover Sketcher Workbench Profile Command Part 2. So in our last session I have covered Profile Command, Profile and Rectangle tool. So coming to the slides. So today I'm gonna cover this circle and spline, and in last session I have covered this profile and rectangle. So for that I have to switch my screen in CATIA V5. So file, new part, and the new part is covered. Next is sketch. Select this front plane or any of plane you want, and here you can see this profile. So here's the circle and spline. So first one is one normal circle which I have to create like this, and if you want to make it constant, so like this you can constant and just put value like 100 or whatever you want, and here is that diameter and radius. So based on your requirement you can change this one. So okay, so like this one normal circle you can create. Okay, coming to the next, which is a 3-point circle. So just select 1, 2 and 3 point, or else like this also 1, 2, 3. So based on that you can create the circles. The next one is circle using coordinates. So click on that, and before I have to show you this coordinates. Okay, this is vertical and this is horizontal. So if I define any of circle, so it will show you from this line to this distance and from this horizontal line to the top distance. Okay, so select this one and select as a 30 by 30, or radius you can define here only. So you define as a 10 radius and just click on OK. So you can see here one circle is formed, which is 30 from this horizontal and 30 from this vertical. Okay, next one is 3, I think, tri-tangent circle. So before telling this tri-tangent circle I have to create this 3 lines, first, second and this third line. Just click on this tri-tangent circle, select first point, second line and third line. Now you can see based on this 3 line you can create one circle. So while doing assembly of this other shapes or like any of these 3 lines, so you can easily create this tri-tangent circle. Coming to the next, which is 3-point arc. So arc you can easily create like 3 points, one single arc, or like this 2 and third point. Like this you can create the arc. And the next one is arc with limits. So suppose if you have this two lines, and you want to join fill with this arc, so select this limit arc and select this first point, second point and the third one is this arc. Okay, so based on this limit arc you can fill this 2 lines. The next one is in circle, that is normal arc. Like if I want to create one arc with respect to this vertical and horizontal, so select on this center and here. So based on your requirement you can drop this final line and drop to this vertical. So you know how to constrain those all. Okay, just click on this and check whether it's a green color or not. So circle is over here. Next one is spline. So spline is basically like irregular shapes. Okay, select this first point, second, Then third, like this you can create the spline. If you want to make it constant, then define the all positions of a spline like this, all positions, and from here to this horizontal, this to this, and from here to this vertical, this height, and the size also required. I think from here to this one, horizontal, sorry, vertical, need to check once again. So this one I have to freeze. See, it's a fully constant. So next one is in a spline connect. So if I want to connect these 2 points of the spline, first one and second one, so like this, one more spline is formed, and based on this I will click and find that to connect. Suppose this front one to last one. So like this new spline is formed, and you can create one new spline for the connect. So this is how this circle and spline gonna work in this profile command, and hope you enjoyed this session. So if you have any doubt, then please comment on video, and please like, subscribe to the channel for the next updates, and goodbye.